Hey everyone, welcome back to Pimp My PC. Today's video, I'm super excited to share with you a tour of my 2024 office and setup. I'll be showing you where I play games, build PCs, and flip them for profits. So let's dive right in. Alright, first up, let's take a look at the overall layout. As you can see, I've got a pretty spacious office here. Over on this side, we have my gaming station, and on this other side, my PC building and flipping area. Alright, first up, let's start with the gaming station. This is where all the magic happens. For the main monitor, we got the 280 Hz 27-inch Asus monitor. And for the one above it, we got 165 Hz Asus 27-inch as well. We got the stacked monitor mount from the TikTok shop. Followed up, we got the PC rig itself. It's rocking a Ryzen 9 5900X, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, RX 6800 for the GPU, all packed in that beautiful Thermaltake Tower 300 case. Followed by the Sama AIO, and then we replaced the fans with the mirror edge ones. I think those ones look better. As for peripherals, we're rocking a Cherry Blossom Ducky 1 Mini 2 keyboard, 60%. We got the pink Superlight Pro mouse. For microphone, we got that Fifine XLR. Followed up by the Fifine little mixer there. For $100, you can't really beat this, even if you are a content creator or you're not. You get this whole setup for right about $100. It comes with the mixer, the mic arm, and the mic itself off Amazon. We got that Apple Watch charger back there. Mac Mini for all the design and editing we do. As far as controller goes, we got that PS5 Edge controller. I went with this one because you can replace the joysticks whenever you get stick drift. I got tired of going through controllers. For the headset, we're rocking that Logitech G Pro headset. So yeah, that's the gaming station. Oh, and for speakers, we got the Logitech, just basic set of speakers there, nothing too fancy. And we got that mouse pad. This desk is actually one from Office Depot. It's got the lights, the built-in wire cable management tray, and things like that. Pretty sweet, little nifty setup. Check it out from far away. Like my little alien. We got those lights off Amazon. Ignore the one that's out. I noticed that after I got them up there, and these lights are not very forgiving. If you take them off the wall, they do leave a big gap in the wall, as you can see where I moved it first. So yeah. Alright, now let's move over to the PC building and flipping area. Here we got that 60-inch electric standing desk. This thing right here is a must-have. If you need to take a break, sit down, you can lower it down. If you just want to stand up and work on PCs, you can do that as well. As far as toolkit goes, we got that iFixit Cerbito type toolkit. We just picked up this Fantic electronic screwdriver set. This one's pretty cool. Everything's a magnet. Got the alcohol wipes there. We got a whole bunch of different screws, so we can replace motherboard screws, power supply screws, you name it. We got our 91% alcohol here. If you do flip PCs and you don't have a Lazy Susan, I suggest you get one. That makes a world of a difference, because you can literally put the PC on there, spin it around without having to move it. Keeps everything nice and neat. We got a test monitor here, let it focus in. And then on the shelf above, we got that G Fuel. You know, we got to stay hydrated. We got a Windows 10 USB drive. We got a Windows 11 USB drive. We got our thermal paste. We got an additional 1 terabyte M.2 up here, followed up by a 512 gig SSD. And yeah, that right there is where the PC flipping magic happens. As you can see, we have a couple of PCs for sale. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I think I have a buyer on 3 of those, but once I finish with those, I'm probably not going to be flipping PCs a whole lot. My main goal is going to be taking viewers' older machines, semi like this, and turning it into a beautiful gaming machine. That's going to be in my next video, where I take this business style machine and turn it into something wonderful. So stay tuned for that. Over here in this corner, we just got a bunch of extra keyboards. Whenever I sell a computer and someone needs a keyboard, I normally, give them options where we can throw in a free keyboard like a little Logitech, or they can upgrade to the Razer keyboard, the Corsair. We got a Robcat, Huntsman Mini, Razer. We got Corsair mouse. We got a Super Light Pro Logitech mouse over there as well. And now one thing, you can't have an office without a place to sit. So we got that nice leather futon. We got our bread emoji pillow that we got from our friend. We got that TikTok coffee table. Thing rises up, pretty dope. And then on this side of the room, we have all our extra PC parts and our shoes, of course. We got the Yeezys with the 270s, with the SBs, you name it, we got it. Here we have our loose additional RAM. We got a power supply tester. We got a couple of GPUs. We got brand new RAM, so we got DDR4, DDR5. We got a couple of air coolers. We got like the Cooler Master 212, ID cooler, Thermalright Assassin right there. We got a couple of RGB hubs. That way we can put RGB fans in our budget builds that the motherboard doesn't have ARGB connections. We have a bunch of used fans here. We got a couple of new fans as well. We got us a 144 hertz portable monitor. That thing is really nice when it comes to testing games. We got a couple power supplies right here, a couple cables. We got some power cables. We got a whole bunch of power cable extensions, or power supply extensions. Those things really make the build look aesthetically pleasing. Here we have an AIO shield, a couple SSDs, another stock cooler, some more power cables. We have 2 headphones there. Got a couple motherboards like the B450M, the B550 Pro, and a Prime B450. We got another bottle of alcohol. And then last but least, we got our little parts drawers where we keep all our nice parts. Alright, here once the build is complete, always run a series of tests to make sure everything's working perfectly. From stress test to benchmarking, I ensure that each PC is in top-notch condition before flipping it. Here you can see we have a build. We ran through all the different tests on it. Very nice and clean. So that's a quick tour of my 2024 office and gaming setup. If there's anything that you want to see further details in, leave a comment below and I'll try to make a video to respond to you. I hope you enjoyed seeing where I game, build PCs, and flip them for profits. If you have any questions or want to see any more detailed videos, leave a comment down below. And then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit that bell for more content. See y'all in the next one. Peace.